And Goldman Sachs has raised the probability of a US recession to 35%, citing concerns over rising inflation, escalating tariffs, and weaker economic fundamentals. Now, this marks an increase from their earlier estimate of a 20% probability. The Global Investment Bank points to waning confidence among businesses and consumers as key factors in this outlook. Economic indicators suggest that the US economy is slowing down, with GDP growth projections for 2025 reduced to just 1%. Additionally, the unemployment rate is expected to climb to 4.5% by the end of the year. A significant driver of these concerns is going to be the tariff war, which is expected to push inflation higher. Goldman Sachs forecasts that core personal consumption expenditures inflation will rise to 3.5% by the end of 2025, much above the Federal Reserve's target of 2%. The spike in inflation is linked to anticipated increase in US tariffs, which are now projected to reach 15% in 2025. The slowing growth and high inflation are expected to further erode consumer purchasing power, with real income growth forecast to average just 1.4% next year. The combination of these economic strains points to a potential recession, especially as early economic data from 2025 shows weak results. As the US economy faces headwinds, policymakers may have to accept short-term economic pain in order to meet long-term goals, potentially making this period of volatility even more challenging for both businesses and consumers.